Perjury. Let's talk about it. Pun intended. Hi, my name is Carl Birkhead. I'm an attorney with Wirth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been practicing criminal law for a little over 7 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by just talking a little bit about what constitutes perjury, what those penalties are, and how that might apply to you. So I've never actually seen a case of perjury be prosecuted, but all the time I have clients that come in and want to say that they know the other side is going to perjure themselves, or they know that the other side is already perjuring themselves and they want to try to seek remedies. So I just want to make a quick little video about what you might be looking at if somehow, some way, some when the state does decide to file those charges, because they do get filed. I've never seen them yet. So perjury is defined by lying under oath, obviously. So in any situation where you're sworn in by a judge to give testimony, or let's say you're in a situation where you're in a deposition and sworn in to give testimony, or even if you're signing an affidavit or anything that's notarized, verifying or stating that everything that was in that paperwork is true and correct, even if when you know that it's not, that's perjury. So what does that mean for you? Well, perjury is punishable by prison time. So I'm just going to read off a little bit about the different levels of punishment. So this is anyone who wants to look this up on their own can verify. It's in Title 21, Section 500, perjury penalty. It's a felony punishable by imprisonment in the state penitentiary when committed in the trial of an indictment for a felony by imprisonment of 2 to 20 years. When committed on any other trial proceeding in a court of justice, by imprisonment of 1 to 10 years, or in all other cases, imprisonment of not more than 5 years. So what that means is that if you're in a felony trial and you perjure yourself, you could be looking at up to 20 years in prison just for the perjury alone. Any other trial court proceedings, family cases, civil lawsuits, even probates, you perjure yourself, you get caught, you could be facing up to 10 years in prison. And any other situation, if you lied in an affidavit, lied in a deposition, something like that, you could be looking at up to 5 years in a state penitentiary. So don't do that. I know that sounds like the obvious remedy, but it might sound weird coming from a lawyer, because I know everyone likes to joke that we're not always honest. But guys, honesty is the best policy. I mean, especially if you're sworn in under oath, under the pain and penalty of perjury, you absolutely should tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help you God. If you have questions about this, or let's say you've got a trial or something coming up where you're going to be sworn to testify and you're not sure how to handle yourself, call me. I would much rather sit down with you, have a 30-minute consult about what you can and cannot do on the stand, than for you to be the first person that I ever have to defend on a perjury charge. My name is Carl Birkhead. I'm with Wirth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.